Welcome guys, so back to my channel Themakeupphase, and for those who are tuning in, thanks for joining the fun. And yeah, so today we're doing another DIY, and this is a cinnamon banana mask. So the reason why I chose this, because obviously the time of year, who doesn't love cinnamon? And there's a lot of great benefits for cinnamon. Obviously the ingestion alone is going to be really great. So what would it do externally? So it is anti-inflammatory, it is antibacterial, and it is anti-aging. It's also really great in stimulating blood flow, so it's going to give you that nice, wonderful, like healthy glow where you have just blood flow in your face. It's going to take away that dullness. Plus it serves as a nice exfoliator as well. So yeah, I know it looked kind of crazy on my face, and I mean, it was really easy to make, and it's one of those things that you can just have on hand, and who doesn't usually have a banana and cinnamon. Super easy to concoct up. As always, make sure you do a test patch to make sure that it's going to be okay. You're not gonna have any crazy reactions. Again, everybody's skin type is different and we all have different things that are happening. But I was really kind of excited to try this out. I was hoping to see, you know, something kind of cool, and of course it smells so amazing. I literally just wanted to eat it. And then it makes a lot, so you can obviously keep the rest of it and use it throughout the week if you need it. Yeah, I think it's time to get started on the mask. So as always, you know what guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and sharing is caring. So let's get started. Okay, babes, so I just finished washing off the mask, and first initial thoughts, it is quite incredible. So it is very natural and exfoliating. I felt so refreshed after I took it off. I thought it was so incredible. I would definitely use this at night. I think this is a really great mask to pop on just before you hop into the shower, because it'll be a lot easier to kind of wash it off and you'll just be able to really kind of just work it in. Again, it was so gentle. As always, make sure you do a test patch just to make sure that you have no reactions, but my face feels so amazing right now. Of course, I just put some moisturizer, and it feels so refreshed. It feels so just like, I don't even know, like just like a new healthy glow. And again, when I first put on the cinnamon mask, I could already feel the tingling happening from the cinnamon. So it is definitely bringing in that blood flow, making sure that we are completely just getting all the blood just circulating into our face, which again makes us nice and giving us the healthy look. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more DIYs. Bye guys.